Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today's video topic is if you're facing brightness related issues on your Windows 11. In this video, I will show you how to fix it. So without wasting your time, let's start. First, right click on your Windows icon, then click on Device Manager. Or you can simply click on your Windows icon and in the search box type Device Manager. You will see this option, Device Manager. Click on it. Now you will see this is the driver we need, monitors. Expand this option and this is the driver name, integrated monitor. The first step is make sure this driver is enabled. If it is disabled like this, you can see the disable icon here. Always enable it. Right click on it and click on enable device. This is your first step. Make sure this driver is enabled. Now again right click on it and click on properties. Now click on the second tab, driver. If you recently upgrade your graphic driver and after that you are getting issue with your brightness, the first step you can try is select this option if it is available in your system, rollback driver. This option will roll back your previous driver and it will fix your issue. If this option is not available, move on to a next step, update your driver, click on it. Now click on search automatically and make sure your internet is working. Click on it. So this option will update your driver. Click on close, then click on close. Cut this window. Now move on to a next method. If you are still getting the same issue, open the command prompt. So click on your Windows icon. Now click on this search box and type CMD. You will see this option, command prompt. Right click on it, then click on run as administrator. First I will increase the font size so it will be visible for you. So now you have to type few commands to fix the brightness issue. Start with our first command, chkdsk. Type this command, chkdsk, then press enter. So the process has been started and it will take a few minutes. This command will scan and check your hard disk. Command completed. Now type the next command, prompt, press enter. Now type the next command, sfc /scan file is equal to c : then \windows /system32 /iframe.dll. Type this command, then press enter. Now type the next command, sfc /verify file equal to c : /windows /system32 /iframe.dll. Press enter. Now type the next command, assoc, press enter. Now type the next command, sfc /scan now, press enter. Now type exit, press enter. After that, restart your system and it will fix your brightness related issues on your Windows 11. This is all for the video. Thank you.